Today is August 19th. We were at Bill Adams today. Lots of deadheading today and lots of just debris cleanup from the storms that we had past weekend. So yeah, lots of deadheading, cleaning up the soil, put a lot of snail bait down. So there were lots of snails on this property. Same thing over here. We trimmed these bushes up a little bit. We checked the planters. They look really good. A little bit of deadheading. But we watered in the back a little bit this morning. It looked a little dead in the back corner over there, so we watered a little bit. We'll get to that in a second. But then we cleaned up all of the pine needles of what we could get. It was also a little windy today, so there are still some pine needles, but we cleaned and raked the soil up. Same with in here. Clean and raked. We're blowing right now. We deadheaded a little bit in here, not too much. Yeah, just lots of sweeping and raking and just getting it nice and clean. Along here we cut out all the dead just to make it look more green. Looks really good. Up there, same thing, raked, cleaned up. Back here, not a lot of deadheading back here, but looks pretty good. Went along this side, deadheaded, cleaned the soil up and raked. Over here we kind of tamed the ivy back so it's not all spraying out. But we cleaned up, got all of that done, and then we came in here, weeded, got all of the deadheading done, cleaned it all up. Looks really good. So, dead guy. And then we're in the process of sweeping and blowing all of this off. And then over here we deadheaded, raked, and then these dogwoods, this one and the one right there, are looking pretty rough. I see growth on them, but I don't know if they just need more water. But yeah, that's something we probably need to pay attention to. Everything else looks really good. In here, lots of snails and snakes, so that was super fun. Cleaned up around the trees in here. But overall, this property looked really good, besides all of the leaves and pine needles from the wind. But yeah,